Welcome. If you want to get Snapseed on your Huawei P40 Pro, for the first you have to get the second smartphone with the Google services and download this application from the Google Play Store. If you did it, the second step is to get the data clone application. I download the phone clone and right now I'm gonna open it on the both phones. Tap on the old phone on your Android phone and the new phone on your P40 Pro. Right here we have to select the old phone type, and this is the Huawei also. So tap on the Huawei. And right here we have to scan the QR code. Unselect all applications. Scroll down to enter apps and data. And right here we have to find Snapseed. Select, tap on OK, transfer. Input your log method. And right now just wait. And when you tap on the finish, you can open your Snapseed application from the Google. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.